Hello, my name's Landon. I am the owner of Landon Mate, coming to y'all with a how-to video. Nothing too crazy, just a simple cut, maybe a little bit of manipulation with the timeline, something like that. Alright, so whenever you open up the timeline, you're gonna get your timeline right here, but you have to create a sequence. You get your little media box right over here. So over here, you have your audio and effects box, really. That's what I like to use it for. I mainly use it for like adding in my little animations and your keynotes. So just to start off, let's go ahead and add in a file of a video. I can show y'all how to clip and cut and maybe move around the timeline right here. Here you just drag it into your timeline. I just go ahead and click on over to effects controls and click on my video. The basic, I believe, dimensions is going to be 1920 by 1080 for this video. So it's just a simple horse galloping video. This is how you just cut. So you come over here to your little item box right here. I hit the razor tool. Maybe I want to clip it right here. And then as it goes kind of out, clip it right here. Now you come back, you hit selection tool, you select, and that's just how you clip, basically. Now, you hit selection tool, you click on, maybe you want to get rid of what you selected, and you hit backspace or delete. Now, you have this clip, backspace this clip. Now, all you have to do is click on this clip, drag it towards this, unless you really want that black space. So now you have a hard cut. You have officially made your beautiful cut. Now let's go through and show you my way. I hit Control Z to undo all my work. So Control Z. All right, so that brings it back. Control Z, it brings the clip back. Control Z gets rid of the cut. Control Z gets rid of the cut. So personally, when I'm editing, I like to try and go a little quicker. So instead of coming over here, clicking this, clicking this, clicking this, coming back over here, bam, 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 I like to just do this. I will come over here, press C, skim through. Okay, I want to get rid of that. I want to get rid of this. Press V, click, select it, delete, bam, highlight this little area right here, delete, bam. It doesn't save that much time, but after a while, it's kind of like if you saved $1 every day. Like, yeah, for the first week or two, it's probably not going to be, $1 million. But if you saved $1 a day for a year, I mean, really, it's only like $300. But hey, it's the idea, I'll run it back through a little slower though. So I come right here. I want to cut this part of the clip and cut, say, this part of the clip. So we're gonna come over here, we're gonna drag our player head right over it. We're gonna hit the letter C on our keyboard, and that selects our razor tool. Now we come over here and we click on the actual footage file, and now we come down a little bit, and we still have C selected. You don't hold down C, but you just press it once and it'll keep this razor tool selected as your mouse, basically. You drag your player head down, you click on the timeline, or in the footage where you want to clip it. Now you press V, and V will bring back your selection tool, because if you tried to just go ahead and still be on the razor tool and select it, it's not exactly, I mean, it may delete, but I like coming back to V, selecting it, so I ensure to myself that I'm selecting what I want to delete out of the footage. So now I hit backspace on it, I select the empty space in the timeline and hit delete. So now you have this hard cut. Ways to spice up this clip and cut instead of a hard cut: you can come over here to your video transitions, you can hit dissolve and hit cross dissolve, and add it right here in between. So it's kind of got like a fade in between, and maybe make it a little quicker if you really feel like it. Maybe it won't be as noticeable, but it'll make it a little bit more smoother instead of just a straight hard cut, which in some cases hard cuts are just fine, but it's all your preference. If you want to add the hard cut, you can add the hard cut. If you want to add the transition, you can add the transition. Remember, this is Premiere Pro. This is your work. It's all what you feel and how confident you are in getting your work done, and how, you know, you feel like it looks to you and potentially the client. So just remember that. And of course, if you have certain guidelines you have to stick in between, and you know, maybe the customer doesn't like that, so you do have to add a picture in over the hard cut, because the hard cut makes it look less natural. You know, that's all what you have to deal with over time. But I'm Landon Made It. Figured I'd pop in and show this nice little video of how to basic cut. I may start on another video of how to, you know, manipulate the timeline. You know, different ideas are flowing. I'll figure it out. Stay tuned.